Alright, YouTube land, we're back with another video. Today we've got a Ranger RCI 39 VHP. For some of you guys that may not have seen this radio yet, it's been on the market for a couple months and we've done several of them. We really like this radio a lot. Works great, does a good job. Very happy with its performance. Like I say, it's a full featured AM radio about the size of a Cobra 29. So 80 watts PEP output or so. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and engage this thing and get her going. And right there, looking good all the way around. So we'll go to 125, 150. Looking good. Looking real good. 300. Go down to 200. 200. Looking good there. Looking good all the way around. Doing this natural born thing. Alright, guys. So now we're going to switch to the receive side. And I'll turn this up. Go up here where we need to start at. Right there. Got her dead on. Yes, sir. Alright, so we'll start working our way down. Like we're negative 110 at 12 dB. Continue to go down. You can hear that tone. Start losing it at about negative 125. So man, that is awesome. Awesome. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and turn it off for a minute. I'm going to press pause and disconnect all this. We're going to hook the mic up and be right back. Alright, we're back. Real quick, we'll go over the radio because this radio is new. It's got a chrome face. The radio actually comes with a chrome SR198 Ranger mic, which is kind of cool also. Noise canceling mic. See if I can move this light a little bit. We're not going to glare. Alright, so first is your SRF or SWR. Has an SWR meter. Push it down for SWR. Noise breaker A&L 10K switch. Radio PA. This is your dimmer, which works good. Channel 19. Volume squelch. Mic gain, RF gain. Band selector. A, B, C, D, E, F. That's each a band of 40. And still getting a glare. There we go, that's a little better. Echo, time, variable talkback, and your RF power. Of course, your channel selector. Alright, so we'll key this up all the way up. Kelly is 20 watts carrier. Well, showing 19.5. Here we go, 19.9. Hello, radio, 1, 2, 3, 4. Audio check, 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 1, 2. Hello, radio. We're running a little bit of echo, sounding good. Hello. That is approximately about 80 watts, give or take, PEP. Alright, now we're running close proximity. There's nothing hooked to the Cobra 29. We're just monitoring, and I've explained this over and over. That kind of simulates being really close to somebody. 100% modulation is 100% modulation. So if I turn this down, there shouldn't be that much difference. Hello, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, audio check. And that's modulating right there from a, let me get it over here, 2 watt carrier, right there. About a 2 watt carrier right there. Like I say, it's all relative. 100% modulation is 100% modulation. It doesn't matter if it's 2 watts modulating to 8 or a little better, or if it's 20 watts modulating to 80 watts, or 100 watts modulating to 400 watts. It doesn't matter. It's always going to be pretty close to a 4-to-1 ratio. It's going to sound the same. The only thing that's going to change when you turn your RF power knob, if the radio is properly tuned and aligned, you're not going to get louder by turning your power down. Radios that get louder and overbearing as you turn the carrier down are misaligned and probably have MPC mods and swing kits. That's not good for them. Your audio should be the same no matter where you turn this. This just gives you extend your range. Your power is going to extend your range. Of course, you're going to talk further with a 20-watt carrier than you will with a 2-watt carrier. I mean, it's just the way it works. So, all right. So we'll listen to that.
Hello, radio check 1 2 3 4 audio. Hello.
And it is the LT2 Echo.
Hello. 1 2 3 4 5. Hello. 1 2 3 4 5.
So working really good. So, all right. Well, this concludes this report. The RCI 39 VHP for Kelly. Kelly, we appreciate your business. We're going to get this boxed up and out to you, guys. Y'all stay tuned. Got a lot coming up. Got a lot going on. So stay tuned and stick with us, and we'll stick with you. You have a good one. Be safe, be careful, and be kind. And I'm going. I'll see you. Bye.